The 2023 Renault Clio is a fine embodiment of contemporary automotive design and engineering, symbolizing a robust offering in the realm of compact hatchbacks. It presents a revamped exterior with a new front end that includes a modernized grille and headlights, along with an updated taillight configuration. The interior enhancements, including a new dashboard design and the latest infotainment system, further elevate the Clio's profile. With a seamless blend of style and function, the car showcases a meaningful evolution that aligns well with the demands of the current automotive landscape. Powertrain versatility is one of the standout features of the 2023 Renault Clio. It offers an array of engines, from a 1-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol to a 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol, and finally a 1.6-liter hybrid engine. The hybrid version, being the most potent option, delivers an impressive 145 horsepower. These diverse engine choices cater to a wide range of driving preferences, effectively balancing power and fuel economy. The 2023 Renault Clio is available in 3 distinct trim levels, namely Expression, Dynamique, and RS Line, each one stepping up in terms of features and performance. The Expression trim represents the base model equipped with standard features such as air conditioning, a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a rear-view camera. The Dynamique trim adds alloy wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and heated front seats, enhancing overall comfort and aesthetics. Lastly, the RS Line trim, the highest variant, is performance-oriented, flaunting sport suspension, 17-inch alloy wheels, and a unique body kit. In terms of safety, the Clio is equipped with an impressive array of features. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring underscore Renault's commitment to proactive safety. Furthermore, the vehicle's roomy interior is another high point, offering ample comfort for passengers with supportive front seats and sufficient rear legroom for adults. Despite its compact dimensions, the Clio goes big on cargo space, accommodating up to 19.6 cubic feet of luggage. Extra features that add value to the 2023 Clio include a standard 4.2-inch driver information display, which can be upgraded to a 7-inch digital instrument cluster. The infotainment system is compatible with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, ensuring users can easily connect their smartphones for enhanced entertainment and connectivity. Additionally, front and side parking sensors are available as an option, enhancing the standard rear-view camera and making parking and maneuvering in tight spots much easier. Driver assistance is a key focus in the 2023 Clio, with several beneficial features such as lane departure warning, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. These tools provide an added layer of safety, keeping the driver alerted to potential hazards and assisting in preventing accidents. This focus on safety, alongside the vehicle's comfortable and well-equipped interior, underlines the Clio's balanced offering in its segment. The Renault Clio also stands out for its fuel efficiency, an important consideration for many buyers in this segment. Each engine option has been designed to optimize fuel consumption, with the 1-liter turbocharged engine promising combined mileage of 35 mpg. Combined with its affordable starting price of $21,990, the Clio presents itself as a cost-effective choice for budget-conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on performance and features. The 2023 Renault Clio emerges as a well-rounded compact hatchback that successfully combines performance, fuel efficiency, safety, and technological features into one sleek package. With its stylish exterior, feature-rich interior, and a selection of powertrain options, it serves as an appealing option for those seeking a compact yet versatile vehicle. This balance of style, performance, and value makes the 2023 Renault Clio a strong contender in the competitive small hatchback market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.